Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we have Samsung Smart Monitor M7 32-inch for unboxing. This is a smart monitor. By smart, we mean that this has the functionality of smart TV as well as monitor. It has ultra high definition, 4K resolution, mobile connection. It can do RDP, remote access. It has Office 365 built-in, USB Type-C adaptive picture, ultra-wide game view. It also has Samsung DeX. So the box packing looks quite nice and simple. And there is similar sort of text here. And if we look towards the other side, here it's telling us that it supports smart apps, Netflix, YouTube. It also works with Apple AirPlay. So these apps like Netflix, YouTube, these are the same smart apps that you get on Samsung TV on their Tizen OS. So without any further delay, let's check what we have got inside the box. Let's open up the packing. So let's open the box. Here you go. This is your monitor. Let's take this out first. Looking further inside, we have some stuff. We have quick setup guide, we have batteries, we have Samsung smart remote, power cable, HDMI. Nice. And this is the metallic base. So this monitor comes with metal base, and this is quite heavy, which is good. So your monitor is going to stay put on your desk. And this together becomes a stand. So let's take the stuff out, and I'll see you in a minute with assembling. So looking at the back of this monitor, this is the power connection, HDMI ports, and one USB-C. And USB-C does support 65 watts charging. This means that if you have your MacBook, you can connect USB-C here, and this is going to charge your Mac as well as work out the display for you. And one of the HDMI port is ARC, and then we have 3 further USB ports here. Nice. These are the screws, and this is your cable tie. I like this. This is going to help you in cable management. This is plastic. It has matte finish. And this part is also plastic, but there is a metal plate here which goes onto the monitor. So this is one. And this is the main thing. Here you go. I'm loving the case. This metal is very heavy. This is matte frosty finish, and there is a screw here which we are going to connect in a second. It's pretty simple. Just put it on top and tighten it with a screw. So let's fix the base onto the monitor now. This is pretty simple. Just put them in and tighten the screws. There you go. This is how it looks. Monitor is beautiful. Very slim and sleek bezels. Matte finish screen, which is flat. There is no curve. Samsung logo. This monitor has very minimalistic look. One thing that I should mention here is that this is a VA panel. This is not an IPS panel. So VA panels have better contrast, means they have better separation of blacks and whites. But you have restricted viewing angles, means if you are viewing the screen from this side or from this side, or you are not watching it from the front, you might notice the image is washed out. And I am not really worried about this because this is a monitor and I'm always going to sit right in front of it. So I'm not going to view it from sides. So I am happy with it. I would prefer better contrast by sitting right in front of it. So without any further delay, let's connect it to the laptop PC and check how it performs. Before we connect the monitor, we have to open this back. So this is your Samsung Smart Remote. This is the same remote which you get with Samsung Smart TVs. There are some shortcuts for Netflix, Prime, Internet, volume channels, and some other buttons. And you also get 2 AA size batteries with it, which is cool. This is your quick setup guide, which we don't need. You have some other paperwork for warranty and stuff. And here you have 2 cables. You have HDMI cable, which is premium high-speed HDMI cable, and you have your power cord. So there's no USB-C cable included. I have seen some unboxing videos from other YouTubers and they're in different region and they get USB-C along with the HDMI power cords. But here in Australia, they didn't get USB-C. Installing the batteries are pretty straightforward. Just open the back cover and install your batteries here. All good. So when you first turn on the monitor, you are greeted with this welcome screen and there is a nice background music going on. So this monitor comes with built-in dual speakers and so far the audio quality is quite acceptable. These are built-in speakers and you can't ask anything more than that. So let's set up the monitor. So this monitor comes with built-in Wi-Fi and this built-in Wi-Fi help you when you are using your smart TV functionalities, like you are using Netflix, you are using other remote desktop, Office 365 or Amazon Prime. You don't have to be connected with your laptop in order to use those smart features. This monitor on its own connects to the internet and streams like your normal smart TV does. So the next, you have to accept terms and conditions. Next, you need to sign in using your Samsung account. So I'm going to sign in using the same account that I have on my Samsung phone and on Samsung TV. So after you are signed in to your Samsung account, here you have option to register your monitor. So next you have option to use voice assistant. You can use Bixby, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant. So I don't want to use any of these. So the next is to set up your backup. So if you want your monitor to be backed up onto your Samsung Cloud, so that in case you need to restore your settings and apps later on, you could easily do that. You just check this and press next, but I do not wish to back up. So simply skip. So next you have option to link your smart apps like Amazon Prime, Netflix. You can simply select your favorite services and then simply sign up or sign in using your mobile phone, tablet, PC, and it's quite faster as compared to the traditional way. So I use Amazon Prime. I'm going to choose this. So next is the tab view feature. This is a very cool smart feature on this smart monitor. And if you have a compatible Samsung or Android device, you can simply tap this phone onto the monitor and mirror your phone screen onto it. So here it wants us to test the feature by simply tapping our phone onto the screen. But before we tap, we need to enable this in Samsung Smart Things. So this is the setting which you need to turn on. This is the one, tab view. And that's it. You are all set up. Here you go. So I'm currently connected with my laptop using the HDMI, and it's mirroring the display. So this is how it looks. The first impressions are good. I am so far impressed by the picture quality. It is not extremely amazing, but it is good. And as expected by a VA panel, you have to be right in front of it in order to get good picture quality. And if you're looking from the sides, from different angles, yes, the image might not appear as good as it appears from the front. Let's explore some smart features. So using the remote, I am going to press Amazon Prime, and here you go. Here you go, Amazon Prime is working flawlessly. It is working as it works on the smart TV itself. So I'm not going to play any of these videos because I don't want to get copyright strike, but I've tested this and I'm impressed with the picture quality. It's good. So pressing home button takes you to the typical Samsung home menu. You have all your smart apps listed below: Netflix, Prime, YouTube, Apple TV, and other stuff. You can simply install new apps if you wish to, and these are your sources. So I have one HDMI connected to the laptop, another one to my gaming PC. I'm also going to try this monitor with my PlayStation 5, and I am looking forward to seeing how the gaming works on it. So this is a standard YouTube app for Samsung smart TVs. This looks exactly same as you get it on your smart TVs.